Hello, it's Deb Blum here. I am the host of Inside Out Activism. Welcome. I am super excited to ask you to watch the videos, learn more about what Inside Out Activism is. The crux of this whole thing is this: you are a microcosm of a bigger macrocosm. And that means that if you want to make changes in the world, if you see things you're dissatisfied about in the world or in your life or in your family, that it's easy to follow the impulse to try to change the world from the outside in, but that the real work, the most important work, is for each of us to own that we only control ourselves and to take responsibility for our lives and to be the ones that are being the change we wish to see in the world, as cliche as that sounds. But I think that it's even deeper than that. It's even bigger than that. And that's what we're explaining in these videos. That's what we're talking about. I'm bringing on experts, talking on my own about this. But please stick with me. Go learn about it below by watching some of the videos. And if you like it, please subscribe and then click the bell so that you get notified. And also, if you like videos, please click the like button, do a thumbs up, give me some positive feedback. I would love it. It keeps shows alive. Thank you so much. And I hope you are inspired to become an inside out activist. Thanks.